Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the glamorous world of aviation, as we explore the 5 most expensive private jets in the world. In 5th place, we have the Gulfstream G650ER, a favorite among celebrities, costing about $70 million. It boasts impressive range and speed, allowing you to travel the world in style. At number 4 is the Bombardier Global 7500, which comes in at around $73 million. Known for its unparalleled performance and luxurious cabin, it's designed for long-haul flights without compromising comfort. In 3rd place, we have the Dassault Falcon 10X, costing approximately $75 million, with its 3-engine design and customizable interiors. This jet perfectly blends performance with luxury. Next up is the Boeing 747, 8 VIP, valued at around $367 million. With its spacious interior, this jet offers a boardroom, multiple lounges, and even a master bedroom, making it perfect for the elite. Kicking off our list is the Airbus A380, priced at a staggering $500 million. This behemoth can be customized to include a private suite, a dining room, and even a concert hall. Imagine flying in the lap of luxury. There you have it, the 5 most expensive private jets in the world. Which one would you choose for your next getaway? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more luxury content.